If your American Express account has been restricted, you may want to appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Carefully read the notification you received regarding the account restriction. Understand the reasons provided by American Express for the action taken against your account. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant documents that support your case. This may include payment records, communication with American Express, or any other information that demonstrates your compliance with their policies. Step 3. Contact customer service. Reach out to American Express customer service via the phone number provided on their website or your account statement. Be prepared to explain your situation clearly and concisely. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If instructed, submit a formal appeal through the appropriate channels. This may involve filling out a specific form or sending a detailed email outlining your case and attaching any supporting documentation. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep track of your case by following up with American Express. Allow some time for them to review your appeal, but don't hesitate to check in if you haven't received a response. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction with American Express. Good luck,